Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. You all saw what happened to this car. We already recovered here now. Safe a hand. Yeah, if you need any recovery service or if you break down somewhere, you need to full package. Now, I'm happy to say we have a full package now. We can come to you, we can recover to here, or we can repair then and there. However, we are ready now. We have a fully complete setup already. So this car sit on one place nearly 4.5 years, 5 years. Have a look the old wheels, all this very bad stage. Yeah, and I can see. Yeah, sorry anymore. You can't live here. Need to go. Right. They will find another house. If like these cars sit on long time, long period, we need to definitely do oil and oil filter. We already changed the engine oil and we already changed the oil filter because this oil like a tar. But after maybe 100 miles, better to do the flushing again, because at the moment I can't do the flushing and I can't start the car with the old oil. It's not good. Because of that, we just change and we refill new oil and we change the oil filter. Then after that, we need to change the battery because battery sit on the 4.5 years, and the customer send the this is the old battery and this is the new battery. Customer send the battery. We need to change the battery. And the very important thing, this is fuel. We took it out from the fuel tank. It's huge, smelly, contaminated petrol. We can't use this one. Because of that, we drain it. I'll show you what happened inside the car. This side also involving for the incident. I don't know what happened, but however, we need to repair that one before the motive. After the whole service, once we start the car, we need to take to the MOT. We already remove the fuel and clean the tank. It's in mint condition now. Right, I'll show you another interesting thing. This is the pump. We took it out from the car. Luckily, customer didn't try to start. He got my all advice. Because of that, I said to him, don't start. Have a look what happened to the wires. All fragile, all wire coating disappeared. You can see here. Yeah, see, because it sit on the long time with the contaminated fuel, all wiring cover missing. If some reason, if we try to start the car, you know what happened. Positive and negative short circuit with the fuel easily can happen. Luckily, he didn't do the job. So as a first step, we already changed engine oil and oil filter. Now we are going to replace the battery, and customer already ordered the new fuel pump because we can't reuse this fuel pump because of the wiring problem. So once we get the new fuel pump, we install, top up 5 liter petrol, install new battery and start the car and have a look what's going on. At the moment, we are waiting for the fuel pump. Once it get the fuel pump, we ready to go. I'll show you after that what happened and what going on. If you have a like this car, if you didn't use it long time, this is the way you need to follow. Don't going to do the shortcut. Some people thinking, oh no, I can start. If you start, this is the good example. Finish the car 99%. Okay, once I get the pump, I'll come back to you. I got 5 liter of fuel and the customer send another battery. Also, customer send another fuel pump. Have a look. Old pump and new pump different, old wires. You can see this one has a coating, this one all gone, right? Okay, and visually I'll check. Look like to me all connectors okay, yeah, look like to me all good, right? Okay, first thing first, I need to install this pump, and I right already install the thing, what do you call the pump, right? I'm going to add the fuel from here, it's easy, right? Slightly install and need to turn with the tool, yeah, it's all nice and tight, and right, okay, install and press in, yeah, it's locked, yeah, that's fine. I don't want to install the cover and everything, I'm going to leave it as it is because I want to visually check what's going on once I start the vehicle. Okay, next step, we are going to install the battery. Positive first and negative second. Right, all good, all good, yeah, you can see nice golden color oil there, it's okay. Coolant level fine. Actually, I need to drain the coolant, but however, I'm not too much worried for the coolant at the moment. First, we'll start the car, then after that, drain the coolant. If some reason need a fire extension, one here, one other end, but make sure everything okay. First 15-20 minutes because it sit on the long time. We going to dig into the dangerous position now. Because of that, we need to make sure everything okay, because when the car sit on 4-5 years in the same place, lot of thing can happen to the engine bay, wiring loom. You saw already the fuel pump what happened. That's the very dangerous thing one mechanic done. He tried to start the car as it is. Luckily car didn't start because contaminated fuel. If it new fuel there, imagine what happened, positive negative spark, petrol there. So right, okay, we'll see what's going on next step. Hopefully it will start. Ignition on. However, some reason I saw the fuel level in the red line, so I thought might be it's low fuel. I'm not 100% sure, but however, I'm going to top up another 5 liters. And after that, I don't have any doubt for the fuel because fuel already there. Right, I'm going to start again. It's need to come out easily, but it's stuck. We'll remove the ignition coil pack. Need to leave it the order. Right. Let's remove spark plugs and have a look. I got another set of plugs. It's used one, but I know this one better than old one. I'm a little bit clean. Check the size. Yes, it's fine. Okay, once I install everything, I'll come back to you. Right, we'll see how is the car behavior now. Still even not anything sign for the starting. Yeah, next step I'm going to plug in my computer and have a look. Any faulty code for the non-starting problem could be timing correlation or could be cam shaft position sensor, lot of thing. Yeah, I'll plug in my computer and come back to you. There is a 3 faulty code for the under engine management. What are the power management battery, map thermostat active, fuel level. Okay, we know the fuel level, right? Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm delete everything. Right, I'm using after that easy start, it will delete sooner. Then same time I'm going to use easy start. Huge smoke. Finally started. Vehicle shaking, but mission success. Right, okay, now we need to keep it like that, keep it running. We'll see after 15 minutes, but we set for the whole gear, so that if it's some reason, if it catch the fire, we ready for that problem. But however, at the moment, car starting and running as usual, but I don't want to race the car, give more problem. We'll see the how is the alternator working, battery charging or not. Lot of warning light at the dashboard for the braking. Anyway, I'm not worry anything for the others at the moment. My main concern, start the car. Then we started. Yeah, alternator charging. It's low, but it's charging. Yeah, however, at the moment, too early to comment anything. At the moment, whatever I took into the garage, it's success now. Yeah, at the moment, I'm going to stop from here. If it's something coming up, we have to address for that time. But however, my main concern, sit on a 5 years, how to get start. We started, now we need to change the spark plugs, we need to change the coolant and other things. I'm not sure at the moment, but however, it's starting now. Yeah, we leave it running 15-20 minutes and we'll go again the process. Comment section open for you. See you with the next video.